Good afternoon, children. Today in our class we are going to learn another interesting topic. What is that? We will see. Okay. Lesson number 6, mental arithmetic. Lesson number 6, mental arithmetic. By this word you all may think, what is this? A new lesson has been included. Yes. So that is not a new lesson. This we have done already as addition, subtraction, multiplication, divisions like that. Okay. But the name is different. Okay. So mental arithmetic means what? Mind calculation. Mental arithmetic means what? Mind calculations. Till now we have done addition, subtraction by the counting. Yes. 6 in my mind, 2 on my finger, after 6, 7, 8 like that. We used to count like this with the fingers. Now here in this lesson you have to solve these sums with the mind. So that means, so till now you have done this addition, subtraction by the number 9, by the abacus counting, or by counting objects even by the fingers you all have done. Now these all we don't need. Okay, so you have to think and you have to solve these sums. That means mind calculations. Okay children, in that mind calculations what and all the addition, subtraction, multiplication, divisions. Now we will solve addition and subtraction. Okay children, so I hope you all get what is mental arithmetic. Mental arithmetic means what? Mind calculations. Mind calculation, that means you have to think and you have to solve the sums. Okay children, we will start our exercise first. Okay. 9 plus 5. 9 plus 5, how you will calculate? You must not use any object or you must not count by the finger. Okay. So first we have to write equal 9. Okay. 9 plus. So you have to split this 5 into 2. Then we can add and we get easily answer. Okay. So this we have to split into 2 by 1 plus 4. Yes children, is it easy? See, 1 plus 4 is 5. Okay. So 9 plus 1 is equal to how much? First you have to add these two numbers. 9 plus 1 is 10. Okay. Then bring this number down. Plus 4. Okay, so 10 plus 4 is how much? 14. So we get answer 9 plus 5 is 14. So we have to write therefore 9 plus 5 is equal to 14 is our answer. This answer you have to put it into the box. Okay children, next question. 3 plus 8. Okay, so how we have split this 5 into 2? Same, these 3 also we have to split into 2. Like 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 plus 8. Okay. You have to split this number, or which is small number you have to split it there. Or which is big number which you can't be able to calculate easily. That you can split it into 2 parts. Okay children? Yes, so 8 plus 2 is how much? 9, 10. Okay, so 10 plus 1. This you can write as it is down. Yes, first you have to calculate. You have to add this. 2 plus 8, 10. Then plus 1 you have to write here. Okay, so 1 plus 10 is how much? Equal to 11. Yes children, equal to 11. So therefore 3 plus 8 equal to 11. So we get the answer easily. Yes. Next. 9 plus 8. So 9 plus 8, this is very big number. No, we can't be able to solve it. So what we have to do? 9 plus 1 plus 7. Yes, 9 plus 1 plus 7. So 1 plus 7 is what? 8. Yes children. So you can add it easily. 9 plus 1 is 10. Okay. Next you have to put this number down directly, plus 7. Now you add it, 10 plus 7 is 17. Yes. So therefore 9 plus 8 is equal to 17. Yes children, so this is very easy, we can solve it easily. Next, 7 plus 6. 7 plus 6. First you have to write 7 plus. So you have this, you have to split it into 2. How you will split? How you will split? 2 plus 4. Yes? Or 3 plus 3 also you can split it. Okay. Now 7 plus 3 is how much? 10. 10 plus 3 is how much? 13. Yes, we get the answer easily. Last you have to write therefore 7 plus 6 is equal to 13. Okay. Like this you have to write. Okay, I hope you all have understood the addition sums. Next we will go for subtraction. So children, in the first exercise we have solved addition mentally. Yes, I have teach you how to split the number and how to add and how to get the answers. That all we have seen. Okay. Now fill in the missing number. Now here 9 is there. Okay. And plus 6. That means you have to find out the answer. Which number we add means we get the number 9. Okay, so you have to think it. Which number if we plus here, we get the number 9. Think it and you have to solve it in your rough note. Okay, children, think it for 2 seconds. Think and tell me. Plus 6 dash plus 6. So plus 6 means what? What is what will? How you will add it to get this 9 plus 6 dash plus 6? Just count it. Plus 6. That means if we split this 3 means 3 plus 6. 3 plus 6. 3 plus 6 if you put 3 plus 6 means if you add it you will get 9. 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes children, you have to think it. That means we are doing mind calculations. Okay, so you have to think it. Think and you have to write the answers here. Okay, next dash plus 9. Dash plus 9, what will be our answer? Here answer is already given. So what we have to do here? 0. 0 plus 9 is 9. 0 plus 9 is 9. If we put here 1, we get 10. 2, we get 11. Yes? So, to get this number 9, 0 plus 9 is 9. Yes, children? Next, 3 plus what is our number? 3 plus what is the number? 3 plus what is the number we should write? What's the number we should write? As I explained you in this 2, say we have to do it here also. To get this 9, what we should do? 3 plus, think it, 3 plus 6. 3 plus 6, we have to write it over here. 3 plus 6 is 6 plus 3 is 9. 7, 8, 9. Yes? Next, 5. Sorry, 4 plus dash. What you will write here? 4 plus dash. What you will write? To get this 9, think it. Think 4 plus dash. 4 is given and plus dash. Which number if you add, you will get this 9. Think it. We get 5. Yes? 5. We have done no? 5 plus 4 is 9. If we write here 2, 3, 4 means we get a different number. If you add here 5 means we get the number 9 here. Yes children? Next, 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1 is how much? Sorry, 8 plus dash. 8 plus dash we get 9. 8 plus dash we get 9. Which number if we have to add here? Which number if you add, we get 9. Think it children, think nicely. You have to think and you have to solve it here. Okay. 8 plus 1. If you put 0, you will get 8 only. Yes. If you put 1, 8 plus 1 is 9. Yes. Next. 6 plus dash. Here 6 is there, plus is there, dash. Which number if you write here, you will get the number 9. Which number? Think it. 6 plus dash. Which number should come here? To get 9, you have to add it. Okay. 6 plus 3. If you put 6 plus 3, we will get number 9. Yes, children. Have you all understood this? Yes, you have to think. After that, you have to solve it. Okay, children. We will do next subtractions. Children, till now we have done addition sums. Addition in mentally. Okay. So we have think how to solve the big numbers with the smaller numbers and all. We have solved and we have learned. Okay. Next we will subtract the following in mentally. Okay. Now we will solve subtractions. Okay. So how we have to solve, we will see. So 8 here is there. Okay. 8 minus. How before in the addition sums, how I have explained you have to split the number into 2. First you have to split it. After that you have to write the answers. Okay. So this 5 how you will split? 3 minus 2 or 2 minus 3. You can split however. Okay. So next 8 minus 3 is how much, children? We get 5. Okay. 5. Okay. First you have to subtract these two numbers. First you have to subtract these two numbers. 8 minus 3. You have to subtract. Okay. Next minus 2. You have to write down here directly. 5 minus 2 is how much? 3. So you have to write down here. Therefore 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Okay. Like this you have to write here. Now next 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6, this also you have to split it into two numbers. Okay. How you will split? 9 minus 6. 3 minus 3. You have to split it into 2. Okay. Now 9 minus 3 is how much, children? 6. Yes, 9 minus 3 is 6. Think it. Okay. Now 6. We got answer by subtracting 9 minus 3. Next we have to write this minus 3 directly down. Bring it down. Okay. Now 6 minus 3 is how much, children? Think it. 6 minus 3 is how much? 3. Yes, 6 minus 3 is 3. So we got the answer. You have to write here. Therefore 9 minus 6 is equal to 3 is our answer. Have you all understood, children? Next 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 we don't want to split it. We know it easily. Yes. 6 minus 2 is equal to what, children? How much? 6 minus 2 is 4. Yes, 6 minus 2 is 4. You have to write, therefore 6 minus 2 is equal to 4 is our answer. Okay, 7 minus 4. How much is this? 7 minus 4 is, if you want to split, we can split it this also. 7 minus 2 is equal to. 7 minus 2 is how much, children? How much? 5. 5 minus 2 is how much, children? Think it. 3. So, therefore, you can write therefore 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. Yes? Is it easy? We have solved it easily. Okay, next. Fill in the boxes. Same method you have to solve here also. Now here 6. 6 is the answer. Okay, these all are questions. So you have to fill here 1, we have to write here number. Which number if we write, we can minus it by 3 and we get number 6. Think it, children. As we have done addition also, same here subtraction also we have done. Yes. So you think it, dash minus 2. Which number if we write, that will be subtract by 2 and we get 6. Think, children. Think it, the dash minus 2. So what we can write? We'll write 8. Okay. 8 minus 2 is what? 6. 8 minus 2, 6. You have to think it. Okay. That is called mind calculation. Next. 9 minus dash. Which number will come? Will get subtract by 9 and we get number 6. Even we have solved there also. So which number will get? We get number 3. We get number 3. 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. Yes, children. Next. Dash minus 1. Dash minus 1. Which number if we write, that will be subtracted by 1 and we get answer 6. Which number should be subtracted here? Which number should be subtracted? Which number? Number 7. 7 minus 1 is 6. 7 minus 1 is 6. Yes, children. Next. 8 minus dash. 8 minus dash. Which number should be subtracted here to get number 6? Which number should be subtracted? So children, see here 8 minus 2 is 6. So here 8 minus which number will be there? 2. So we get 6. Okay. So here 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3 is subtracted. We got answer here 6. Okay, next here, see, minus 3. So which number we will add? We have to put 9 here. 9 minus 3 is 6. Okay. Now 7 minus 1. By subtracting 7 minus 1, we get answer 6. So 7 minus 1 minus dash. If we put 1 means we get answer 6. Okay, children, have you all understood? Have you all understood this subtraction sums? We will solve another 2 sums. Okay. So children, addition and subtraction we have solved. We have think and we have solved. Yes. So next, add mentally and answer the following. This is our another exercise. Okay. So in these sums, what you have to do, we'll see. Okay. 50 plus 40. So first what you have to take this 5 and 4. Okay, 5 plus 4. If you add 5 plus 4 is how much? We have done in previous exercise also. 5 plus 4 you have to think it. 5 plus 4 is 9. Yes. So therefore you have to write, therefore 50 plus 40 is how much? 90. Yes, children. This 5 plus 4 is 9 means 50 plus 40 is equal to how much? 90 is our answer. Yes, children. Is it easy? Next, 60 plus 30. First you have to take this number. Okay. That means 10's place numbers you have to take. Okay. 6 plus 3. So 6 plus 3 is how much, children? 6 plus 3 is 9. Yes. So therefore 6 plus 3 equal to 9 means 60 plus 30 is equal to how much, children? 90. Okay. Is it easy? Next. 70 plus 10. 70 plus 10 is equal to how much? We'll see. 7 plus 1. You have to split it this. 7 plus 1. Okay, equal to how much? 7 plus 1 is 8. Yes, so therefore 7 plus 1 is 8 means 70 plus 10 is how much, children? 80. Yes. Next, 40 plus 20. 4 plus 2 is equal to how much? 4 plus 2 is 6. Yes, 4, 5, 6. We used to count, but here you have to think and you have to calculate and you have to solve the sums. Okay. 4 plus 2 is 6 means 40 plus 20 is how much, children? 40 plus 20 is equal to 60. Okay, children. Is it easy? Next we will go for our subtraction. Okay. 80 minus 30 is equal to what you have to do? 8 minus 3. First you have to take 8 and minus 3. So 8 minus 3 is how much, children? So children, why we are subtracting this this 2 digit into the 1 digit? Because this is in a 2 digit number, so we can't able to subtract it. Yes, no? So we have to take 8 minus, that means 1 digit.
Easily.
We can subtract it easily. Okay, so 8 minus 3. So we are taking 1 digit number to subtract it easily. You all have subtracted the subtraction sum in 1 digit. Yes, no, not we have done. We have not solved into 2 digit. We have solved with the finger or with the object or with the help of number line. This we are going to do mentally. Okay. So 9 minus 3 is how much, children? 8 minus 3 is how much? 8 minus 3 is 5. So you have to think it. Okay. So therefore 8 minus 3 is 5 means 80 minus 30 is equal to how much, children? 50. Okay. We have not added, we have not included 0 here. Because to solve these sums easily, we have taken 1 digit number only. Okay. Then in the last answer only, we have to write therefore 80 minus 30 is equal to 50. Okay. In the last answer you can write 80 minus 30 equal to 50 like that. Okay, children. Next, 60 minus 40. So what we have to do here, in these sums also we have to take 1 digit number. Which digit number? We have to take 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4 is equal to how much, children? Think. We get 6 minus 4 equal to 2. Okay. So therefore 6 minus 4 equal to 2 means 60 minus 40 is equal to how much, children? 20. Yes, is it easy? Only we have removed 0 here to solve it easily. In the easy way, we have removed 0 here. Okay, in the last answer you have to add it. You have to write like this. Okay, and put it into the box. Okay. Next, 90 minus 50. 9 minus 5 is equal to how much, children? 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. Okay, so 9 minus 5 is equal to 4 means therefore 90 minus 50 is equal to how much, children? 40. Okay. Next, 60 minus 20. So this number we take 6 and 2. 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 is how much, children? 4. Okay, 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. So therefore 60 minus 20 is equal to 40. Have you all understood, children? Why we have solved this single digit number? Because we can solve this number easily. Because here two digit number. Previous addition we have solved with the numbers, with the counting. Yes, with the finger counting we have done. Now here we have to think and we have to calculate here. In the easy way, if you want to solve means we have to take single digit number. Then we can solve it easily because you all have solved single digit numbers. Yes. So we have solved in a single digit number. Then in the last answer, after adding and after subtracting, last answer you can write like this. Okay children, have you all understood? I hope you all have understood mental arithmetic lesson. You have to practice in your rough note twice and thrice time. If any doubt you can ask. Okay. Thank you children.